Hi guys! Look who's in the house!
Hi!
Sarah Ellis and Sarah James coming at you live from Tucson, Arizona. We're here for the gem shows and all kinds of amazing extras to boot. Danielle is about to be on here from the Jesse James Beads back in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. And we're coming at you because we have a really special live unboxing for you today. This is the time of the month. It's the Jesse James time. It's that time of the month. It's the time of the month where we unbox the Magical Mystery Bead Box, and we tell you, if you're not yet a subscriber, that you might want to be, because the last day for you to sign up to the Magical Mystery Bead Box to be able to get that month's subscription is the 7th of every month. So the Magical Mystery Bead Box, if you don't know about it yet, is a monthly subscription program that is a themed box of beads and components and magic and mystery. And what do you think about it, Sarah?
It's magical. And it's mysterious. It's like Christmas once a month, really, you know? Something new, and you never know what it's going to be, and it's always awesome, so.
Yeah.
It's good stuff.
I love subscription box programs. I love putting the Magical Mystery Bead Box together. I get sock of the month. So I don't know, to get to something special that shows up on your doorstep and you don't know what it is, but you know the brand and you know you're going to love it, is really, really awesome. So me and Sarah want to take a second to share this past month's box with you, and then we have to boogie because, like we said, we're in Tucson and we have just been, there are beads to see, there are people to hug, there are network connections to be made. And then today, at the end of the day, we're going to Beads of Courage for a really special Designing with the Stars bracelet making event. We've been prepping for that all morning. That's why we're in the kitchen at the Airbnb right now. And we'll share more of that with you later.
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
It's going to be great. I'm really excited about it. And it's really awesome, Sarah, having you in town.
It's been so much fun. It's been cool hanging out, meeting people, looking at beads.
Meeting people, looking at beads. And our schedule has been slammed.
Yeah, we've been going nonstop.
We keep saying that the only reason that we're not tired and falling over is because there's been just no time to be tired. Until you get home at night. Last night I slept so hard, I swear to God, I don't think I moved a muscle. I woke up in the same position. So tired. Yeah. But not anymore. No rest for the weary.
That's right.
No rest for the beady.
I like it.
So, okay, Sarah, I would love to have you open the Magical Mystery Bead Box.
Okay.
I know what's in it, kind of, but you don't.
No, I don't have a clue. I wanted to open it and sneak a peek, but I haven't, so it's a mystery to me.
I had to open it yesterday just to make sure that it was the right one and it wasn't the month beforehand. But anyway, this is a fresh box. Sarah, I'm going to give this to you. Guys, I'm going to take the camera behind Sarah's shoulder so we can all peek and watch it from her point of view. What do you think? Okay, let's do this. Thanks, guys. Hi, Dawn. Hi, Varia. Hi, Rodrigo.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Kathy. Hi, Susie. Hi, Tracy. Hi, everyone. Hi, Danielle back in Bethlehem.
Hi, Danielle.
All right, let's do this. There's Miss Sarah.
Oh,
Okay.
I love it.
So, here is our monthly theme. Your Magical Mystery Bead Box always comes with a card like this.
Get cozy.
Hygge.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Who is getting cozy right now? We're in Tucson. I mean, I wish it wasn't quite as cozy here in Tucson. It's pretty cold this time
It is.
this year.
It's pretty chilly.
But it's sunny and the vibe is warm. So, what's this say?
All right. So, Hygge. Am I saying that right? A Danish word used to describe a special feeling or moment in time. Oh, that's perfect. And so then all of what's inside: getting cozy bead strand, frosted window design elements, cocoa, coffee, and tea design, winter walk featuring Swarovski mini bead mix, 2 feather tassels, tassel and charm assortment, boho bead mix, large tassel pendant and wood beads, and chain reaction. And then, of course, what's this kit? So this is jam-packed just like every month. So excited to see what all is in here. And yeah, it's all about being cozy.
Yay. It's all about being cozy. So the Magical Mystery Bead Box always has a theme, and you get this beautiful art card and all these special things that coordinate with it. So it's a really fun way to get inspired with some design projects because you know all the beads that are coming inside this bead box are going to coordinate with each other.
And I save mine. I don't know what you guys do. Let us know what you guys do with your cards when you get them. I hang all mine up for inspiration. I do. I keep all of mine.
We need some photos of that.
Yeah, definitely. All right. So.
Oh, baby.
Oh my gosh. What's this? Who doesn't love an owl?
Ooh. Ooh.
And that is gorgeous.
So guys, we have a really amazing connection with this woman that makes these acrylic charms. This pendant was hand drawn by Stacy on the Jesse James design team. Then we put it on the computer and digitized it. And then we turned it into this beautiful laser cut owl. It's mirrored. I don't know if you can see my face in the camera. Oh, hey. Hi. Yeah, so that owl is beautiful. Hold that up to yourself and show how big it is.
Yeah.
Like, that is bad. Oh, bad in the best of ways. Beautiful. All right, what else is in this box?
All right, so.
Magical Mystery
love
Bead
those.
Box.
I gotta take these out.
Yeah, let's see them.
Yeah. So these are gonna make an amazing pair of earrings or 2 separate pendants. Oh my gosh.
Those are so cool.
Fabulous. Oh, yes. I love them.
So floofy.
Oh, I want earrings. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to pull them out of the shot.
Now let's see.
These are amazing.
Yes, I love them.
Fabulous.
Mm-hmm.
So if you can't rock a feather boa, you could totally rock them on your ears.
You could totally rock them on your ears. Or like even as a long pendant, like a long like navel duster.
Mm-hmm.
Like a total navel, like an actual duster navel duster.
Awesome.
Cool.
Those are beautiful.
Bet is on. Hi, Bethany. She says it goes with your shirt.
It does.
And she says we're funny also. It's the Sarah and Sarah Comedy Hour. So glad you could join. Stick around. Okay, what's this one?
All right, so this is the Winter Walk featuring Swarovski.
Ooh.
Beautiful blues. Ooh, I love the darker blue in there too with the lighter blue. That's gorgeous.
So this has been a new thing that comes in every Magical Mystery Bead Box. We put together a mini mix that has Swarovski. So not only are you getting all these cool Jesse James beads, you're also getting a Jesse James beads blend made with Swarovski crystals. So this is part of our monthly Magical Mystery Bead Box program. And if I'm correct, Danielle back in Bethlehem, let us know. Danielle back at Jesse James Beads. I believe we have $10 off 3, 6, and 12-month subscriptions, right? With the code MYSTERY. So if you're thinking about it, I say treat yourself to February.
Yeah, definitely. That is awesome. This is like the fuzzy socks on the picture. That's what this
Oh my gosh, it totally does.
Yes,
wow, I don't think that was intentional. That's cool.
You can wear your fuzzy socks around your neck or around your wrist. I love it.
So the
Very
strands
cozy.
that go in the Magical Mystery Bead Box are exclusive only to our Magical Mystery subscribers. What we do is we do all of the boxes for our subscribers, and then we put an additional like 10 online, and we sell them for their actual retail price, probably discounted a little bit. But these are beautiful wooden beads from the Philippines. Look at that middle one. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's awesome.
And the bead caps on the glass. I just love this strand.
I do too. It's a really good mix for sure. Well, they're always a good mix, but this is like definitely hitting the theme like right on.
Well, Sarah, this box is going home with you after the whole event. So not only are we doing an unboxing, you're getting a present.
I love it. I love it. Hot cocoa, coffee, and tea. This is another perfect one. Look at the fuzzies. I love
cozy.
texture, so these are always my favorites.
Cozy. Hygge, the Danish word for a special time or place.
I love it.
Beautiful.
It is really beautiful. There's a
I
lot
love that
in
color
here. There's
palette
some
too.
wooden beads in
Are there
here.
wooden beads in there?
Yeah, that guy right there.
Nice.
And some
nice.
really beautiful bead caps. These
Yeah.
are awesome.
That's something that we're looking to do more of here in 2020 is get you guys some more Jesse James Beads medals. And we also, Sarah and I spent some time with the girls at Tierra Cast. We're going to be bringing you Tierra Cast from Jesse James Beads, and that is coming up in a few weeks or a month. So stay tuned, guys.
Very exciting stuff. Frosted wind. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, yes.
And more of the fabric. I love those. Those are like my favorites. This is perfect for winter time.
That's cool. Stacy
Yeah.
asked that we get those in specific for this collection.
Yeah, she nailed it. They were perfect mix.
Good work, Stacy. Thank you.
And the roses, those are so pretty.
And that's what why the Magical Mystery Box is so cool, because we come up with a theme that it's always timely, but it's not like dead on Christmas or like dead on St. Patrick's Day or Easter or Valentine's. We'll always do something that's a little bit off to give you a little more intrigue and get your creative gears going in a slightly different direction.
Right. And then you can also use these like throughout the rest of the year, right? So it's not, like you said, it's not like we have a St. Patrick's Day box, right? We've got these blues and these beautiful browns, and both of these...
They coordinate together.
Yeah, they look really beautiful together, and you can carry this into the spring, you can carry the blues into the summer, and the browns into the fall. So your design options the window is very large, if you will, as far as the creativity is concerned, which I love.
Me too.
It's really beautiful. Everything is always beautiful. Oh, yeah.
What's next? But wait, there's more.
Oh, I gotta take this tassel out just because it's fabulous.
Kathy Vasquez says she loves her Magical Mystery Bead Box. Amazing, Kathy. Thank you so much. What's this? Oh my gosh, a big fat fatty tassel.
I love it. And these big chunky
He's
beads.
cute.
So awesome.
Oh my gosh, and beady friends.
So I want to put that just like that on a really long necklace. Yes.
Yeah, maybe some chain reaction.
Yeah. Love that. That's awesome.
Sue says, hi, girls. Wendy says, hello, darling. Hello, darling, Wendy. Can you tell we're having fun here in Tucson?
Oh, this one's got the little bubble beads and lots of tassels.
Look at this tassel set.
I love that. And some snowflake. Yep.
Cute, cute, cute.
Super cute. And the little mini guys.
You're really right about the colors, about this being very winter, but carrying over into spring. I don't know if anyone else noticed, but I think the groundhog, he either did or didn't see his shadow, but whatever it means for it to be a shorter winter and a quicker spring is the one that he saw.
That's good news.
So,
Way to go, groundhog.
Get your your transitionary winter into spring jewelry pieces ready.
Yeah. That's awesome. All right. Oh, yeah, we were just kind of talking about
We were talking about this.
Yes.
So just over breakfast, Sarah was telling me, she's like, I unboxed the December Magical Mystery Bead Box. And what did you say about that one?
So it had focal beads in it. There was a bag that had focal beads in it. And I was just really, really inspired. It's like, because I always say it just takes one bead, right? One bead to kind of spark your creativity. And so when I get the ones that are in the sets or just the individual focal beads, then I can start seeing in my head like how the whole box is going to go together, and maybe I'm being exposed to a bead that I didn't know about.
Well, these boho beads, this is what started Jesse James beads, is what kind of started defining the Jesse James look that you know of now. And we've expanded so much on this, and the beads have really developed. We design these beads ourselves, and then we have them produced. Like the colors and the textures that are involved with these beads really lend themselves to totally make a statement in your piece of jewelry.
Yeah. And
we're selling these beads individually online. I don't know if we have these colors per se, but we have a beautiful array of boho beads. If you go to jessejamesbeads.com, click shop, then click on specialty, you can select boho beads from the side, and you'll see all these really cool cocktail inspired boho beads. They're brand new.
Yeah,
you could find them on the What's New page too at the website. But yeah, this is a really nice element in this bead box, and also something that we're offering in pairs online as well.
Yeah.
If you don't know, now you know.
It's really cool because I know that like when I talk to you guys out there, we can spot a Jesse James beads like a mile away. Like if I see somebody out there and I see that they have on Jesse James beads, I'm like, there's a kindred spirit immediately. And so these beads are what stick out, right?
Yeah.
You notice those immediately, and those are my people.
Totally. And the other thing about Jesse James beads, I'm going to just jump on really quick and share my bracelet stack, that when you have Jesse James beads incorporated with the stack of jewelry that you're wearing, I think it just really... it really ties the look together. Like you wear one Jesse James bead, you wear your other bracelets along with it, and it just adds that extra pop to really make your other beads have that special vibe to them on the wrist candy that you're rocking for the day. Yeah. So back to the bead box.
All right,
just a little side vignette.
Last but not least is one of my favorite things, the chain reaction. So we've got the silver color.
Oh wow, 4 pieces. This is this is
with
such a great box.
The dark beads and then the gold color with like the purpley kind of amethysty color beads. Those are beautiful.
Yeah, we always include this chain reaction in your box too. This is custom Jesse James chain. It's excellent color. It's excellent plated metal. The metal is plated 6 times. 6 times. It's not going to fade on you, and we just have an influx of it. That's why we're able to put it in the boxes in such beautiful amounts as we do. It's also available on jessejamesbeads.com, and it's really beautiful metal links and these glass beads. And all of our fans that get it and work with it have nothing but beautiful comments to say.
Yeah, and it's one of those things where you can like tie it into your jewelry. You can wear it.
You just wear it on your own.
Yeah, and it looks so beautiful.
Totally.
Yep. Awesome.
Cool. So this is the Magical Mystery Bead Box from January. If you're interested in signing up and becoming a subscriber, the date to sign up by is February 7th. If you want to receive the February box, February 7th is your date to sign up. Use code MYSTERY and you will get $10 off any subscription. So their best value is to do the full year. You get the box at the cheapest rate. But if you just want to go month to month and cancel anytime, you can do that. Or our most popular plan is the 3-month plan. So check it out. The link is at the top. If you have any questions, send us a message, send us an email. We check our messages at the beginning of the day and the end of the day, every day. We check them at the beginning and the end every day. So that was fun.
That was fun.
Thanks, Sarah, for sharing in this beady groove with me this morning and this entire Tucson trip. So, what are you most excited about seeing today? We're about to get off.
Well, I was telling Sarah this morning, I've been here, let's see, I got here Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and so far I've only spent $10, which is, that doesn't include food, but like I've only spent $10 on beady goodness. And I'm ready to spend some money today. I'm gonna buy some beads
Get your wallet out. Tell your cash and your credit cards that they're about to get a workout.
That's right.
Because we are going shopping. And on that note, we've got to go. So, more fun things coming to jessejamesbeads.com very, very soon. There's a lot of really hot, amazing items that launched yesterday. These bead mixes are
they are
amazing.
Beautiful.
They are tension bead mixes with those beautiful boho beads that we were just showing off a second ago. So, if you haven't seen them yet, go check them out. We'll be on later at the Beads of Courage party, Designing with the Stars, later tonight. It's a charity event. All proceeds go to Beads of Courage. So if you're in Tucson and you can make it to Beads of Courage headquarters tonight, the event starts at 6:30. Send us a message if you have any questions. Otherwise, we will be seeing you live on here again later. All right. Thanks, friends. Thank you, Sarah.
No problem. It's fun. Bye.